DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
YouTube, what going, you don't know the done back in the lab, you know. Yes, man. Yeah, man, people, you see what we are doing today, man. We're back with another reaction. Who they are with today? Yes, man, you see what they are with none other than the Spartan boss himself. Yes, man, we have another track from Tamale. The one that is entitled, yeah, man, Outside Brawling. How we dog try say? Man, try say after a war, you know, in there, see him when I run gone away, you know. You see me, enough people I say, wait, man, I say, I'm still there. All after the war with Mosquito, I'm still. I don't see myself that new people. I say. But anyway, gang, yeah, man, Tamale there. We don't know to try the one name Outside Brawling. We definitely check it out and see what dog I deal with. Before that, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. You already know. We're getting into the track right now. Now we'll vibe much longer. Tamale Sparta, Outside Brawling. Let's get it. Hold on. Woman, I'm here, yeah. I'm here, little demon girl. I'm going outside, I'm afraid. I'm afraid, people, I'm afraid. I'm not going to lie, I'm afraid. But me pause if you tell us, yo, the beat have a little buzz to it still. You have a little buzz, me see what I want.
We are go for them brawling, calling and I clap it up from morning. From my body still link man conning. Man done reach off of trees and farming. Andrew, we are go for them brawling, no. Stu don't want them, go for them fast. We don't do the long talking, no.
Ooh, dog, I love Brisco in our blood clear war. Brisco, where tune them there? You don't know where Brisco in as an artist in a long time, no Brisco. I like it just disappear, so you know dog. Here, man, don't chop and just disappear, so you come chop some tune, man. I know you chop some tune, man. Shit, come.
Calling and I clap it up from morning. From my body still link man conning. Man done reach off of trees and farming. Andrew, we are go.
From our boy this still link, where we are going to do? Where we are going to do? Where we are going to do? Okay, can him blood cleat, yes.
Feed them brawling, no. Stu don't want them, go feed them fast. We don't do the long talking, no. Go feed them brawling. Me and my dog, they follow me one program. I saw this Spartan strong old Krogan. Trees bigger than 354 from 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 code out the slogan.
I said trees bigger than 354. What's a split bigger than a giant to blood cleat? Hey. Tube like this.
Stu don't want them, go feed them fast. We don't do the long talking, no. Go feed them brawling. Me and my dog, they follow me one program. I saw this Spartan strong old Krogan. Trees bigger than 354 from 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 code out the slogan. I know them, I wish them slow down. See envy in all the people, my grow. Dark militant people, on my own ground. M16 steady when me load up. Freddy, I got no one now. Brawling. Outside from night till morning, yeah. No.
Brawling. Outside from night till the morning, no? Tune.
Brawling.
Mama easy.
Brawling.
Hold that. A family twin this blood cleat. Not twin as in blood cleat. Family related at the time. Meta was in like that. Mama have it tattoo and everything like that.
M16 steady when me load up. Freddy, I got no one now. Brawling.
Glad. Yes, that and everything. One bad girl, you know, easy no more.
Brawling. Outside from night till morning, yeah. No man cool like fire. Dog them scrape and hunt today. Brawling. From my name them calling. Sniper.
But bullet in them head, easy no more.
Bye. Them firing. Tell them we no boast or brag. And we no post pan black. Badness now fi post pan status. If I war them want any token.
Easy enough.
Sure them bad me know them a keep when the killer them ready go test them please. Rifle make you rest in peace.
Be like this. Be like this. Be like this. Oh, this. Yes, so me like this, man. Big up your damn self, Tamale. Man don't war and say a hits time. What you mean? Come through.
Go feed them firing.
Yeah.
Tell them we no boast or brag. And we no post pan black.
Yeah.
Badness now fi post pan status. If I war them want any token.
Yeah.
Swear them bad me know them a capper when the killer them ready go test them please.
Yeah.
Rifle make you rest
in peace.
Slide for them and let them street bloody. Psycho tip the line this season.
I say, yo, when the killer them ready, go and go test them, please. We left your body rest in peace. Yes, man, me like the flow there, you know, go on to.
Badness now fi post pan status. If I war them want any token. Swear them bad me know them a capper when the killer them ready go test them please. Rifle make you rest in peace. We slide for them and let them street bloody. Psycho tip the line this season. I'ma find them a bleach pon the corner. Shoot as I carry more heat than a sauna. The pussy them run like roach.
Catch them a bleach pon the corner, killer them carry more heat than a sauna.
Rifle make you rest in peace. We slide for them and let them street bloody. Psycho tip the line this season. I'ma find them a bleach pon the corner. Shoot as I carry more heat than a sauna. The pussy them run like roach when the light turn on. Be a smooth now, time marijuana. You should have talk less. Roll with that talk clip. And if I war, then I don't go where I war. The back I feel haunted. Ghost on me target. And anybody try stop it, a collateral damage. Me heartless. No ready.
Anybody try stop it, I get collateral damage. You hear that? You heard? Okay, alright.
The back I feel haunted. Ghost on me target. And anybody try stop it, a collateral damage. Me heartless. No ready, me no witches and any rifle. Leave up it off his sparking dog. We not talk it. Nigga they brawling.
So no rhythm no in my chest. You know, that means no beat. A rhythm is a beat. That means no heartbeat. Easy no, you dog. Watch you like that. No rhythm no in my chest.
Or they not the way I war. The back I feel haunted. Ghost on me target. And anybody try stop it, a collateral damage. Me heartless. No ready, me no witches and any rifle. Leave up it off his sparking dog. We not talk it. Nigga they brawling, appalling. From a boy beside a coffin. And gone when me clock it. Brawling a rotted. Carcass a fall. If everybody in a darkness. Me
why you bro, you could have chosen this as this song as Massacre, you know? Me that take this as this song to us, Massacre, this body now. Why you never making this song them like this dog? Come on no. Come on no, Sparta, bro. Come on.
With that thing that I make them far for the shot. It cut off here, fling them in a dog shit. Brawling. Outside from night till morning, yeah. No man cool like foreign. Dog them scrape on until yeah. Brawling. From my name them calling, yeah.
Wow.
Sniper, go feed them firing. The killer them rich and bad. Contract signed by your head top bad. Banks killer them
Rich and bad. Contract signed by your head top bad.
What is bad? Go feed them firing. The killer them rich and bad. Contract signed by your head top bad. Banks killer them haunted bad. Complete a new mission now. We give them a line. Missing from deep in the love. Open them with the breeze. Clear the way with the breeze. Me come for this try. Anywhere we run the risk, boy.
Come for this try. Anywhere we run the risk, boy. Alright. The Spartan boss has spoken. Yes, I mean, the Spartan boss and he's back to regular scheduled program. He's making hits. And that was a hit. I love that song there, man. Brawling. You gonna be there, morning. Damn, I like the song there. Blood clean. Why never blood clean make you all like this song them like this, man? Bro, if you drop this blood clean song in a war and drop few little muscle line, you know, dog, right off you, dog, you know. Not that. I try to pick side, but I say, yo, so war tune, so we want the war tune them so vibesy and hit songsy. You see me, even for Massacre side, it was so we want, you know what I'm saying? So big up to all the artists, them, we enjoy a little lyrical back and forth, little lyrical feud, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so, yeah. But Spartan Boss back to regular scheduled program. You see me as a gang. So I drop this right now. I can know more of your opinions. Let me know what you guys think. As I say, till next time, take care of yourself and each other. You don't know.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector.